The Russian military has reportedly struck Norwegian NASAMS and French Crotale NG system at the Star-Konstantinov airfield in the Khmelnytsky region, the Russian Defense Ministry, RUMOD, said. Russian tactical aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, missile troops, and artillery weapons hit Norway-made NASAMS and French-made Crotale NG air defense systems at the airfield Star-Konstantinov in the Khmelnytsky region, as well as aircraft equipment, flight navigation means and aviation ammunition at the airfields of Konativo in the Kirovograd region and Dnipro, as well as Ukrainian manpower and military hardware in 127 areas, the ministry said, according to TASS news agency. Earlier in February this year, the RUMOD announced the first destruction of the U.S.-supplied NASAMS air defense system months after the Ukrainian military first deployed it. A Tochka-U tactical missile launcher and a NASAMS anti-aircraft missile system manufactured by Norway were destroyed in the settlement of Krasnoarmeysk in the Donetsk People's Republic, RIA Novosti reported, citing the Russian MOD. In November 2022, Ukrainian Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov acknowledged the arrival of NASAMS AD systems. In a tweet, Reznikov said, "Look who's here! NASAMS and Aspied air defense systems arrived in Ukraine." NASAMS are short to medium-range ground-based air defense systems that can defend against drone, helicopter, cruise missile, and aircraft attacks. Earlier, as Eurasian Times reported, the U.S. had vowed to hasten the delivery of the NASAMS to Ukraine after Russia started an unprecedented bombardment of its cities. Ukraine had repeatedly requested for AD systems like NASAMS to thwart Russia's use of cheap, expendable drones. In the face of ferocious attacks crippling its vital infrastructure, the calls for NASAMS only got more clamorous. NASAMS is a powerful defense system that protects sensitive airspace around the White House and the U.S. Capitol in Washington. The cutting-edge capabilities of NASAMS include a net-centric design, numerous simultaneous engagements, beyond visual range, BVR, capabilities, and its ability to be tightly integrated and tailored to a country's integrated air and missile defense system. The NASAMS uses the AIM-120 AMRAAM adapted for ground launch. When fired from an aircraft, the AMRAAM has high energy on launch. When fired from the surface, the AMRAAM has no energy on launch. It has to climb and accelerate, expending its rocket motor fuel. As such, the range of the system is limited to around 30 kilometers. The system has no area defense capability. The NASAMS is a point defense system created to protect critical assets. It is deployed around Washington. The NASAMS 2 variant, likely to be delivered to Kyiv, has a Link 16 data link. It means that the system needs no surveillance radar. It can be cued towards the target over a data link by an airborne surveillance asset. Earlier, in November 2022, France confirmed the shipment of 2 Crotale NG anti-aircraft systems to Ukraine along with 2 LRU multiple rocket launchers. These materials have meanwhile been transferred after the training of Ukrainian servants. On December 22, first images of unitary rocket launchers in Ukraine appeared on social networks. On the other hand, no images were available of the 2 Crotale NGs. The Crotale NG is a modernized version of the Crotale short-range air defense missile system, which was originally developed by the French defense company Thomson CSF, now known as Thales Group. The Crotale NG system is designed to protect military units, strategic sites, and civilian areas from a wide range of airborne threats, such as fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles. Development of the Crotale NG began in the early 1990s, with an aim to enhance the capabilities of the original system. The key improvements of the Crotale NG include a new generation radar system, improved target detection and tracking capabilities, and an updated missile design. The new generation radar system provides better target detection and engagement ranges and allows the system to track multiple targets simultaneously. The updated missile design incorporates a new solid propellant motor, a more advanced guidance system, and an enhanced warhead for greater lethality. These improvements collectively contribute to Crotale NG's superior performance compared to its predecessors. The Crotale NG entered service with the French Armed Forces in the late 1990s, and it has since been exported to several other countries, such as Finland and Greece. The system has been battle-tested in various conflicts and has demonstrated its effectiveness in countering a wide range of airborne threats. Today, the Crotale NG continues to be a highly regarded short-range air defense system and is used by several armed forces worldwide.